Hey everyone, welcome back to the Real Estate Rundown here with Marcie, where we meet with top professionals in our real estate industry, and we got a show prepared for you today. Stay tuned. Welcome back everyone. Real Estate Rundown here with Marcie, and today my next guest. Can you tell them and introduce yourself, Frantz?
Hi, my name is Frantz, and I'm the owner of We Insure Insurance Agency. I'm the agency owner. We do property and casualty insurance for people that are in need.
So in our real estate community, we require a lot of things to get a real estate transaction done. Escrow, title, real estate agent, attorney, a lot of factors required to close a deal. And one of the most important factors is homeowners insurance.
Homeowners insurance and commercial insurance.
Yes. So it's so important to make sure you're covered in insurance, especially when lenders are involved. They actually have certain mandatory requirements where insurances must meet in order to even get the financing. So it's so important for a buyer to be properly guided by the real estate agent with a proper insurance agent that knows, what's required, the dwelling, the insured value of
how to get wind credit to keep the costs low.
Exactly. And what type of inspection reports, right?
Yes, definitely. So
certain items that get your insurance quote at a better cost or get a better quote, impactful windows and certain inspections and things like that.
Exactly, Marcie, definitely.
Yeah. So why don't you share with our audience about what does insurance look like today and what you got going on?
Okay, well, the insurance market right now is very challenging for South Florida. And the reason why is because there's been a lot of natural disasters and fraud and a lot of other factors where the reinsurers are no longer backing the insurance companies. They somehow lost faith in America, so they're taking their money elsewhere. So that's why South Florida has the least amount of insurance carriers right now. We have Citizens Insurance, which is the state-run program. It's the insurer of last resort. Citizens was developed after Hurricane Andrews hit South Florida. The state decided that they need a program to have homeowners to have insurance if no traditional insurer can insure them. Now they are the #1 insurer of South Florida, which is not good because they were not designed for that. In today's market, there's probably a good 5 to 6 carrier that will insure you. It's good to have a knowledgeable agent who can navigate you through this and try to find the right product for your home. If you're purchasing a home and you have a mortgage, the bank's gonna want you to have insurance to protect their investment. And it's a good thing to have insurance for yourself because we live in a high risk hurricane state. So your house is gonna be probably the most expensive purchase you're gonna make through your lifetime. So it's good to have insurance in case the unexpected happens. When you purchase insurance, it's good to have a good agent that's familiar and knows how to get you the right product with the right cost and know how to save you money. The best way to save money on insurance is if you're purchasing a home, if it has hurricane impact windows or hurricane shutters and it's Class A rated, you will qualify for wind credit. That's what I always suggest, that before you purchase insurance, get a wind mitigation report, a home inspector, and a 4-point inspection. Provide that to your agent so they can review it and they can see how the house is built. If it's a sturdy house, if the roof attachment is superior, they can qualify you for the wind credits. The wind credits can save you anywhere from 20 to 40%. So that's a huge savings.
That's a big savings. And let me just explain and break it down how important this is, guys. If you have a monthly mortgage, typically a monthly mortgage will include escrows, and escrows is property taxes and insurance. So if you could reduce your insurance by 20 to
40%?
To 40%, that means your payment's gonna be lower by that much.
It definitely will be.
So it's so important to get a knowledgeable insurance agent on your side. A lot of people also tell me, it's like, oh, insurance is, there's challenging situations sometimes in different homes, whether it be the roof, the doors, fences, or whatever it is that prevent certain insurance carriers to hold it. But even in challenging situations, when you have a good agent, there are things that we can do, you know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely.
That we can navigate and look the best options where the lender's gonna approve it and it doesn't hurt your pocket that much.
It doesn't. And since I'm an insurance broker, I'm not a captive agent, I'm able to shop around to see who will provide the best product at the best rate for you.
Yeah.
So I'm loyal to the client, not to the insurance company, because I'm not captive. I don't just work and sell one insurance company where I have to be loyal to them because they're my employer.
Want to share a story about an experience you had in the insurance world?
There's so many stories.
Of course, because when you've been in the business for so long, especially in what we do, there's always a million stories, right?
The best one, I had a gentleman who was buying a high value home. And for some reason, the day of the closing, he realized he never received an insurance quote and never purchased insurance.
Wow.
So someone passed him my number. He called me, said, "Hey, Frantz, I heard you very good. Here's my situation. I'm trying to buy this property and I'm at the closing table and I need insurance. What can you do for me?" So right there, I told him, "Oh, wow, this is very challenging for me to try to get you insurance right now."
Binding today.
Binding today.
Yeah.
So I told him, "Give me about an hour. Let me do what I can and I'll work my magic for you."
Yeah.
So I get him the quote and I told him, you can buy this policy today, but I need a 4-point inspection because of the age of the home. So I have an inspector, but I don't know if he can get this done for you today. If anything, it might be tomorrow. So he says, "Give me the inspector's number. I'll work it out with him." So he calls me back. "Hey, the inspector will have the report for you in about 3 hours."
Wow.
And that was it. We bind the policy and he was able to close that day.
And you made it happen.
Made it happen.
And you had the report where it can help him mitigate, lower costs.
Yes, I don't know what he told the home inspector, but he got it done.
Crazy. I love that story. What it's like to work with an experienced escrow and title company.
That is a big factor in purchasing a home. You need a good title company so they can make sure you have a clean title. They know what's expected, what the closing costs will be. You don't want no surprises at a closing table. And Marcie here, I have to say, is a superstar. She's one of the best title agents out there. Her company's top rates. She's the CEO of her company and she does a tremendous job. So you need to get a good title company out there if you're looking to go through the closing with no hiccups and no surprises.
Well, share with our audience, where can people find you?
People can find me online, over the phone, or come to my office. I'm located in Pembroke Pines, Florida, so I'm local, and I write the entire state of Florida. You can reach me at my number at 754-246-0466. I'm always available. That's my cell phone. I'll always pick up. Or you can email me. My email address is franz.jean-baptiste@weinsuregroup.com. It's a mouthful, but you'll be able to go online and check me out and reach out to me. You can even request a quote online if you wanted to. But the fastest way to get a hold of me, call me at 754-246-0466.
Thank you everyone for joining us. Yet another one, Real Estate Written Down with Marcie, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Thank you for having me, Marcie.
Thank you.
Goodbye, guys.